It's the train coming in now to take us to Bucharest North, where I'm going to get the sleeper train to Chisinau from there. So hopefully this all goes smoothly because I've not got a phone signal. That's us arrived at Nord now. Gonna go try and get this ticket sorted out and then my Wi-Fi because it's gonna be a long night without data, 14 hours. No idea where I'm going here. Try up here. .402 and numbers. Where's my number for my seat? Seat 41. Here we go. Home for tonight. Oh. Don't know if I've got a light at all. I'm not sure. I'll get myself settled in and I'll give you a little tour. What's this? There we go. Nice one. That's us just departed Bucharest just now. Time is 7:15, so I think we're getting to Chisinau around 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. This is a good 14 hours. Conductor just came and took my passport. Had a wee copy of it and my ticket as well. Give you a look around. Got my bedding and stuff under here, pillows, and he came round and gave me bed sheets and stuff. So gonna make my bed. Then go to look at there's a wee cafeteria on board as well. Got a beer, some food. So it's quite a controversial topic. A lot of videos like this, they say this is the last Soviet sleeper train in Europe. Obviously you'll still have Soviet trains in Ukraine and stuff like that. I think this is the last in the European Union. So it's quite a controversial topic. I've got a private cabin. You can get a double and a 4-berth cabin as well. Obviously the 4 berths cheaper than what the private would be. I've paid £40 for this, I think, which isn't too bad. 14 hours, got it all to myself. That's not too bad. So I'm gonna head down to the bar in a wee minute, get something to eat and a beer. Once we get to the Moldovan border tonight, we stop there for a good 4 hours. They lift the train up and they change the wheels underneath with everyone still on board. It goes from the European tracks to the Russian sized tracks that Moldova still use. So that'll be an interesting experience tonight. I think it's around 2 AM we get woken up for our passports checked, and then that's when they change the track gauges. So that'll be good, looking forward to that. too bad. Quick slash, then it's time for a beer. Look at this. All the train's moving outside now. I don't know if you can see that. Here we are in the bar area. Closer. One beer. Chisinau beer. One beer. Chisinau. How much? One beer. Chisinau.
Chisinau?
Yeah, please. Thank you.
What?
Chisinau. Got a beer here. Chisinau beer. So that's the capital of Moldova, which is where we're heading to. This is the wee canteen area. Pretty good. Yeah, that's not bad. So I'm going to enjoy this and I'll maybe get a wee bite to eat as well. It's the wee canteen area. Some of the stuff they've got. Back in my wee cabin now. A wee packet of crisps, my beer. And I made my bed as well. Not too bad, quite comfy. Been travelling for just over an hour now. Not too bad. In the morning, just pulling up to the Moldovan border now to get the passports checked. Guy just knocked at the door. Passport's stamped. Just sort of crossing the border now. Wasn't too bad, half an hour. Guy came on, much the same sort of situation as when I went to Lviv in Ukraine this year. He came on the bus, took the passports, went away somewhere and brought them back on. Obviously the obvious questions, why are you here, what are you doing, but apart from that, no problems at all. So now we've got a 4-hour wait while they change the wheels from the European gauges, the European tracks to the Russian size tracks. So that should be interesting. It's around 4 AM just now. So yeah, welcome to Moldova. Well, the passport's away again, so maybe not in Moldova yet. The policewoman's just came and took it off me again, so obviously another check. Getting tired now. So obviously another check, and then change of the wheels. So see how it goes. So that's us in Moldova now, and they've started lifting up the train to change the tracks. It's a 4-hour process, and then on our way to Chisinau. Dining cart. I had my dinner last night. Some sausages, it was really nice, and some salad, some bread. Come up this way. We change carriage, that takes us to where I was sleeping last night. They cross here. Up here to my one, number 41, this one here. That's where I stayed last night. Comfy enough, quite bumpy. Got a few hours sleep to be fair. A wee bit up here for some luggage storage. So we'll be arriving into Chisinau soon, maybe another hour or something I think. So my eSIM ran out about 9 o'clock last night, and it's now 8 AM the next morning, so it's been a long night. Can't check into the hotel in Chisinau until 2 o'clock, so I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do. Need to try and find Wi-Fi somewhere. Not got a clue where I'm going, which is not ideal, but it's all part of the journey I suppose. So hopefully get some Wi-Fi somewhere, and then try and find out where my hotel is and maybe get an early check-in, get my head down for a few hours because I'm pretty tired. It's been a long night, but a good one. I've enjoyed it. Definitely recommend taking this trip. I think the train's been running since the 60s, everything's the exact same, and I know it was in the Eurovision song as well. Welcome to Chisinau, guys, the capital of Europe's least visited country. There's the train here. That was a long night. So we've made it here to the main station. Pretty quiet, to be honest with you. Gonna have a wee look inside. It's cold, very cold. Thankfully managed to get some Wi-Fi here. Otherwise I'd have been stuck. Model train set here. It's nice in here. Christmas tree. A wee bar here. Check these guys out. And that's that, guys. So I'm going to finish that video up here. I'm not sure how well put together it's going to be because it's the first time I've ever done anything like this. So if you like it, then leave a wee like, that would be great, and see you in the next one. Cheers.